We are now in financial reporting and analysis of 4th December 2024. So this is the previous sitting, and the first question required you to explain the following ways of measuring financial assets that are investments in debt securities at amortized cost, at fair value through other comprehensive income (OCI), at fair value through profit or loss. Then question number 2 required determine borrowing cost to be capitalized for each of the project as at 30th June 2024. And then Roman 2 compute the value of investment in the books of Porters Limited as at 30th June 2024. Then we go to part C. Part C, you have been given a budget, the budgeted amount and the actual amount, and some additional information. So it required you to prepare a statement of comparison of budget and actual amounts for the fiscal year ended 30th June 2024 as per the requirement of International Public Sector Accounting Standard IPSAS 24, presentation of budget information in financial statements. Question 2. This part A was a theoretical question. You are required to explain how monetary items and non-monetary items should be translated and the treatment of their respective exchange differences. Part B, this was a question on group which required you to calculate the value of goodwill arising on acquisition of Rima Limited, and then prepare a consolidated statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 30th April 2024. Then question 3, outline the accounting treatment of government grants related to income in accordance with International Accounting Standard IAS 20, accounting for government grants. Then part B, required a statement of cash flow for Betrite Limited in accordance with the accounting standard IAS 7, statement of cash flows. And then question 4, formula. Question 4, part A, statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st October 2024. Part B, statement of changes in equity. Part C, statement of financial position. Question 5, recognition of biological asset. You explain that. Measurement of biological asset. You also explain that. Then part B, you explain two types of post-employment benefit plans in accordance with International Accounting Standard IAS 19, employee benefits. And then we have part C, which required you to prepare common size vertical statement of financial position as at 31st August 2023 and 31st August 2024. So let us go to the answers. We have the answer for the first question. Amortized cost at fair value through other comprehensive income and at fair value through profit or loss. We go to part B, the interest to be capitalized. You can see the calculation there for Cometic and for Lobotic. Then the value of investment at 30th June 2024. So the value of investment is computed. I have computed it there. Then part C, statement of comparison of budget and actual amount. This is usually a very simple question. These are usually free marks. Then we have some workings for that. We have some working for that budget. Then question two. Question two. How monetary items and non-monetary items are translated and treatment of their respective exchange differences. Then part B, we have the computation of goodwill arising on acquisition of RIMA Limited. Then we go to the consolidated statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the group, that is Kipu Limited Group. Then we have a working there for unrealized profit, depreciation overcharge. This is unrealized profit on plant equipment, depreciation overcharge on plant equipment, and working two for unrealized profit on sale of goods. Then question three, accounting for government grants. And then we have part B, the statement of cash flow of Petrite Limited. So this is a statement of cash flow. Then it have some working. So the statement of cash flow, it have some working. We have working one for the intangible asset. This is a computation of the impairment. Then working two, this is tax. Working three, working four, working five. Working five is for retained profit. This is how you get the dividend paid. Then we go to question four, statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st October 2024 for Farmland Limited. Then, so that is a statement of profit or loss. Then we have a working for the cost of sale. We have that working. Then depreciation of right of use asset, that is the leased plant. Then working two for the interest on 8% loan stock. Working three, lease amortization schedule. Working four of the tax. Then we have the statement of changes in equity. And then we have the statement of financial position. Then question five, recognition of biological asset, a measurement of biological asset. Then we have part B, two types of post-employment benefit plans. We have defined contribution plan and defined benefit plans. So you needed to explain what both of them means. And then part C, the common size statement of financial position. This is usually another very simple question. Then we have, finally, we have a working for that because you need to find the percentages. For example, property, plant and equipment, they were 23,760 out of 88,000. So that was 27%. So this is it for this paper. And I'll attach a PDF from 2015 to 2024. You can download it at Honestshins 100 if you wish to do offline revision. Thank you very much.